Welcome to my channel. Let me share the course content for the Linux administration. We will cover the Linux starting from the beginners level and move slowly towards the professional. And we will cover theory as well as the practical portion of the same topic. And I will also deliver the on-demand lectures. For example, if you want to understand what is the production level thing, how you can do that. So I can deliver you on-demand lecture separately if you contact me for that. Who is this course for? The course is designed for students, Linux beginners, DevOps engineers, the system engineers, cloud engineers, cyber security learners, and uh, they can all get benefit from this. Who What you will learn from this, what makes this course different. You will learn the Linux fundamentals, the enterprise Linux administration. For example, if you are working in an enterprise organization or organization environment regarding the Linux, then I can teach you one by one the step by step things that you want to understand. And we can do the practical demonstrations and hands-on learning and on-demand production level concepts. I can deliver it to you. Linux foundations. We will cover the Linux families. We will look what the families does the Linux have and what is the philosophy of the Linux. We will cover the open source concepts and discuss the Linux distributions and Linux installation steps. Then we will see what is the file system and the partitions for the Linux. In the file system, we will if we go into the detail, we will cover what is the file system and storage basics. For example, the Linux directory structure, the file permissions, ownerships and access control, hard links and soft links, disk management and disk mounting concepts. Then we will cover the kernel and system internals, like what are the Linux kernel and its what is the Linux architecture and how the kernel works, what is the shell and how the shell interacts with the kernel and with the OS, and what are the kernel modules, and there's some details about those modules. We will see what is the boot process of the boot process and what are the services that the Linux has. We will see starting from the BIOS to the grub. We will cover the kernel and init process and the system D. We will see what is the system CTL, what is the target and run levels and the system management. After that, we will cover the boot and the boot troubleshooting as well. We will see what are the hardware and devices used in the Linux. For example, if we have a device, the Linux device, which we want to attach or unattach from the Linux, from a running Linux server, then we will see how we can do that. Uh, we will use UDEV concept. We will see the USB and disk analysis. We will cover the device monitoring. After that, we will cover the file system mounting. Then we will see what is the process management, like how the process life cycle is, and what is the foreground and background processes, and what is the PS, and what is the top and htop, what the function that these commands perform. We will see what are the signals and what are the process controls and performance basics. After that, we will see the users and permissions of the Linux, how these users and permissions are managed, what are the users and groups, what is the access control, and the production security practices, and how the permissions management works in the Linux. After that, we will cover the package management, for example, the software and the package, how they get installed in the Red Hat, and how you can install and uninstall any package from the Ubuntu, and what is the difference between the old Linux versions and the current latest Linux versions. We will cover these details, and we will see what is the RPM packages, what are the repositories, and how we can update and upgrade our system, where we will see what is the EPEL repositories, and we will see the troubleshooting of these packages, and uh, we will see how to troubleshoot if we have to make any change and we stuck in any issue, we will see how to troubleshoot that. After that, we will see what are the basics of the networking. For example, the IP addressing, the TNS routing, and what is the network interfaces, what is NMCLI, the IP commands, and the connectivity, and how to troubleshoot these these networking networking issues. After that, we will cover what are the logging and monitoring, uh, how to use the journal CTL, how to work with the RSYSLog, the system D, journal D, and what we will see what are the real-time monitoring and incident analysis as well. After that, we will cover the security and automation. For example, if we have to secure any folder, how we can do that, and how we can work with the scripting, what are the cron jobs, and how the automation best practices are used in any organization. We will cover this as well. So, start your Linux journey today. We will build the real Linux skills, learn production concepts, prepare for RHCSA and LP Linux Professional Institute 1, hands on practical and learning. We will also cover all these things. So, stay connected with me. I will be there for any query. And if you have any question, any query regarding to this or in your future, let me know. I will answer you. Thank you.